What, Sydney? Put it in here. What is it? What is it?
It's a pony thing.
Leslie, open up this one. Open this one up.
Yeah. It's Gumball's house.
It's the gumdrop one.
Yeah.
Hold on, Sid. Hold on, Sid.
Ooh, Grassy, look.
Yeah. Go.
Ooh, Legos. Presley, what'd you get?
Eagle.
Let me see.
Ooh.
Hold on, Sydney.
First, I'll wait for Presley and then I'll open this one.
Do you like it?
But
Not yet, honey.
She wants to play with it right now.
We'll open it in a little bit, okay? That's from Santa. Say thank you, Santa. Presley, say thank you, Santa. Say thank you. Sydney, hold on.